Good morning, all of you. This is my third video regarding central measurement of central tendencies, and in this I am taking the case when the data is more than values are given. Now, as we have done in Ogaif case, more than values, these are the more than values which are given to us from 75 to 145, and these are the number of families. The first step is we convert this into a regular class interval. Now the first entry is income more than 75. This means 75 is the lowest value. All values are more than 75. And we find a difference of 10 each. So the first class interval is 75 to 85, 85 to 95, so on we make the class interval. Now how to calculate frequency? The first value is as given, the first value is 150 and the second value is 140. So 150 minus 140, you get the value 10. Next 140 minus 115, 125, 20, so on. And we check that the total number of observations should be equal to this. Now the next step which we do is we calculate the midpoint, mid value, and give it the name x. Now when we take this as the mid value, as you see, these values are 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 and 150. Out of this, let us take 100 as the assumed mean. So we find out, calculate the column d dash is equal to x minus a divided by I, where I is equal to 10. So this becomes minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Multiply this with the frequency, we get fd dash is equal to, so minus 20, minus 25, 0, then we get 25, 20, 60, then we have again 60, and then we have 125. Now add the negative values, we get minus 140, minus 45, and we add the values, we get 5, 5, 10, 2, 4, 4, 6, 4, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 190. So we get sigma fd dash as 245. Now once this is calculated, we start with the formula, same formula, a plus minus sigma fd dash upon sigma f into I. So this becomes 100 plus difference is 245 divided by 150 into 10. Solving this, we get 100 plus 16.33 is equal to 116.33. This is the first part when we have more than data. Now supposing I take another question, which is the sixth part is, say, less than data. When the less than data values are given, in that case, let me take the question. You are given marks less than, and the values are less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, and less than 50. The corresponding value of number of students are given as, number of students are 4, 10. This is a small question which can be easily done. It will take very little time, 40 and 50. Now, we have to convert this less than data into class interval. So when we convert this into class interval, we have all values are less than 10. It means the first value which we will start will be 0 to 10. As you see, the difference is 10 again. So the size of the class interval is 10. So next is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Now here the class intervals are not increasing because this is less than. Then we get the frequency. The first value of frequency, as you can see very easily, is 4. Next is 10. So 10 minus 4 you get as 6. Then 20 minus 10, 10. 40 minus 20, 20. And 50 minus 40, 10. We have to take the summation, see how much the value is, 20, 30, 40, then 50. And the maximum value given here was 50. So now we calculate the mid value as x, which will be the mid value of the class interval, which is 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Out of this, let us take 25. We generally take the middlemost value. D dash is equal to x minus a divided by I. You get the column for D dash. So this is 25 minus 5, 20 divided by 10. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. The FD dash column which we get now is minus 8, minus 6, 0, 20, and then we have 200. 20, 10 into 2, 20. So this is minus 14 and this is plus 40. So the difference turns out to be how much? Difference turns out to be 40, and sigma FD dash is equal to 6, 3 minus 1, 2, 26. So let us put the formula. X bar is equal to A plus minus, again sigma FD dash upon sigma F into I. So you get as 25 plus 26 upon 50 into 10. When we cut this, you get 5. 26 upon 5 is equal to what? So this is 25 plus 5.2. So this is comes out to be 30.2. This is the answer.